How much should you actually spend on a bandsaw? It's puzzling, right? People are happy buying the cheaper ones, but some return the expensive options. You really have to dig a little deeper to find what's actually worth your money. Product number 1, Milwaukee Bandsaw Blade Pack. First up, we have the Milwaukee 48309631 Bandsaw Blade Pack. Priced at $31.49, what caught my attention is the promise of cutting more while changing blades less often. If you want a reliable blade that lasts, this is worth a serious look. Here's the thing, this pack contains 3 blades with optimized tooth design, which means clean cuts on stainless steel and other tough materials. The claim of 3 times the life in extreme metals and double the speed in thin metals is impressive. So if you often work with different materials, this can really save you time and hassle. Plus, with over 400 sold in the past month, clearly, it's resonating with users. Now, some folks might complain about not getting a variety of teeth per blade, which can be limiting. But honestly, if you're focused on specific materials, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable blade that minimizes downtime. Skip this one if you need a versatile range of options right out of the box. For the price, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about their metalwork. Alright, if you're looking for a full bandsaw setup instead of just blades, the next product might catch your eyes. Product number 2, VEVOR Portable Bandsaw. Next, let's talk about the VEVOR Portable Bandsaw, priced at $212.96. The compact design and powerful features really stand out. If you want mobility without sacrificing cutting power, this is definitely worth considering. This bandsaw boasts a 10-amp motor, giving you a 5-inch cutting capacity for both round and rectangular stock. What's even cooler is it has a variable speed that ranges from 137.8 to 472.4 feet per minute, which means you can adjust it depending on what you're cutting. That kind of flexibility is great for tackling different materials like metal or PVC without worrying about burn marks or sparks. The ergonomic design is a bonus, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Here's the thing though, if you're working on larger projects where you need that power, the weight is more of a trade-off than a drawback. This tool is perfect for you if you need a portable solution for heavy-duty tasks. Skip it if you need something ultralight for small crafts. With the features it packs, it's definitely a good value for your money. Now, if the bulk of that last product was a concern for you, the next one is more compact and might fit your needs better. Product number 3, KFMK Variable Speed Bandsaw. Coming in at $442.66 is the KFMK Variable Speed Metal Bandsaw. This one caught my eye for its impressive specifications and dual workbench design. If you want serious cutting power, you should definitely check this out. With a powerful 10-amp motor and 5-inch cutting capacity, it's built to handle both heavy-duty and DIY jobs easily. The adjustable speed from 137 to 472 feet per minute lets you tailor your cuts based on your material, which is a huge plus for accuracy. Plus, the dual workbench design means you can cut large pieces securely or switch to a smaller platform for precision cuts. That versatility is a lifesaver for anyone who works with metal regularly. But I'll be real with you, some users found it a bit complex to set up initially. Now, this might be a deal breaker if you're looking for something straightforward and easy to use, but if you're willing to spend a little time getting familiar with it, the payoff is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a powerful, versatile bandsaw for both professional and home use. Skip this one if you want something quick and easy right out of the box. Given the quality, it's a good value for more serious projects. If you want something lighter and even more portable, the next product on the list might be just what you need. Product number 4, Milwaukee Compact Bandsaw. Next up is the Milwaukee Bandsaw, priced at $368.07. This saw has a sleek design and impressive power, making it a contender for anyone wanting a lightweight option. If you want a tool that's easy to handle without skimping on performance, take a look at this one. This model features the POWERSTATE brushless motor, which delivers some of the fastest cutting speeds in its class. Plus, it's over 20% lighter than the original model, making it less cumbersome to use all day. If you often find yourself cutting metal for lengthy periods, that weight reduction means less fatigue. This is perfect if you're in a workshop setting or need a portable option. However, some users have noted that the battery life could be better for long projects. Here's the thing. If you plan to use it heavily, you might want to invest in extra batteries. But for quick to medium tasks, it performs excellently. This product is perfect for you if you need something lightweight and powerful for cutting metal. Skip it if you're looking for maximum battery life on long projects. Given the reliability of Milwaukee tools, it offers decent value for the investment. Now, if you want a more budget-friendly portable option, the next product could be right up your alley. Product number 5, VEVOR Corded Bandsaw. Last but not least, we've got another VEVOR product, the corded bandsaw priced at $136.86. This one caught my attention because of its affordability and solid features. If you're just starting out or want something that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth a look. It also has variable speed options, ranging from 137.8 to 472.4 feet per minute, so you can customize your cutting experience to fit your materials. The ergonomic design is nice too, making it easier to handle. Given its features, it's a fantastic entry-level bandsaw. However, some might find that it lacks the sturdiness of higher-end models, especially during intense use. But for heavy-duty tasks, you might want to look a bit higher on the price scale. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or on a budget needing a reliable tool. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty saw that can handle constant use. For the price point, it's an excellent value for occasional users. So to wrap things up, we've looked at the Milwaukee Bandsaw Blade Pack for durability, the VEVOR Portable Bandsaw for mobility, the KFMK for serious cutting power, the Milwaukee Compact for lightweight handling, and the budget-friendly VEVOR Corded Bandsaw for beginners. Each offers unique features that cater to different needs. Consider what matters most to you before making a choice. Happy cutting!